My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, today let us think of another value, self motivation. Self motivation is the mental determination and will to achieve what we want. It's the key to happiness and success in life. Self motivation has two dimensions. One is mental, related to our mind. It prompts us to think where we want to go and what we want to do. The other is related to action. It guides us to act and achieve what we desire. Self-motivated persons determine the goals and act strongly to achieve them. In order to be motivated, one must be self-confident. The most important point in self-motivation is believing in oneself. Belief in oneself is the very basis of successful self-motivation. Belief in oneself helps to develop positive attitudes. Faith in oneself, faith in others, and faith in God help us to move mountains. If we want to improve our positions in life, if we want to be happier and more successful, we want to set newer, more records. If we want to do anything at all, even though it may seem utterly impossible, we must get self-motivated. If you are self-motivated, you are in the right path. For this you need right attitude, right skill, and right knowledge. Feel that I can do it, I will do it, and definitely I do it. You need an inner urge to win. Fear of failure is the cause of failure. Avoid the feelings, I am useless, I cannot do anything, I am a waste. If you know what you are, but you don't know your potentialities and what you will become, be steady in your convictions and work hard for your success. You must have an aim in front of you. Destroy all blocks in front of you to success. I'll give you an example. Edison, the greatest inventor of the world, had resolute self-confidence. Edison was not able to get along with the teachers and students, and hence he discontinued his studies. Better to say, he was sent out of the school. His mother was so kind. He got the letter from the school that he is very poor in studies and cannot manage with the students. Instead of reading the letter to him, the mother told him, they cannot teach you because you are much more intelligent than them. Edison has received only 4 years of formal schooling, but he targeted himself reading physics and chemistry books and the Bible and setting up a small laboratory at home. Despite constant financial problems, Edison was on a creative rampage. He became one of the best scientists due to his self-motivation. Once a friend of Edison asked him about the results of his experiments. Thomas Edison exclaimed, marveling at the bewildering total of his failures. 50,000 experiments. For example, before he succeeded with new storage battery results, he said, "Why man, I have got lots of results. I know 50,000 things that won't work." Failures are the stepping stones to success. Only because of his self-motivation, Edison could succeed. We are all aware of this story of King Bruce. He failed 6 times in war. He flew from the war field, escaped to a cave. While he was sitting, he saw a beautiful picture, a spider. The spider was trying to jump one place to the other. He dropped himself once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. But the spider continued trying. King Bruce find a similarity with the spider with him. And finally, at the 7th time, the spider succeeded. See the self-motivation. 6 times he failed, but it could not stop it. Bruce got a vibration. He got up from the cave, went to the battlefield, fought the battle, and won the battle. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, so many people are discouraged, disappointed, even at the verge of suiciding when they fail in one small examination or in some of their ventures. So self-motivation helps you. I can do it. I will do it. How can you cultivate self-motivation? It can be cultivated through making a list of goals in one's life and arranging them in order of priority, setting a date to reach them, listing the steps one must take to reach one's goals, listing the qualities of personal behavior to reach these goals, identifying the qualities one lacks to achieve the goals, overcoming the negative qualities, thinking positively about all things, including oneself, expecting the best and always doing the best, focusing on one's goals constantly and visualizing them as being fulfilled, looking forward and far ahead, willing to pay the price to achieve one's goals, believing oneself. If you are self-motivated, you can achieve anything. Napoleon Bonaparte used to tell, "There is no word impossible in my dictionary," that help him to achieve great things, to win so many great wars. So let us be motivated and let us motivate others also to achieve great things. Thank you. May God bless you.